Okay, so let me quickly show you around the course so you understand how everything is set up. First of all, as you have probably seen, the course is divided into so-called modules, which can be thought of as sections where we focus on a specific part of the workflow I will be teaching throughout this course. Module 1 is an overview of the live interface just to get you familiar with the software itself. And then Module 2 is about gathering ideas. Module 3 is about arranging these ideas. Module 4 is about refining these ideas. And Module 5 is about getting these ideas ready to share with the world. This is a very specific process that will help you understand Ableton Live's strengths and evolve your musical ideas into full-blown tracks in a step-by-step fashion. It is important that you start at the beginning and work your way through each module, as each tutorial builds on what has come before. Make sure to stay on track and digest each video in the order that I have put them in for the best results. Now, in order to do the course properly, you're going to need a copy of Ableton Live running on your computer. The following video is for those of you who need help doing just that. If you don't need help, just move on to the video after that.